Riding the data wave, mastering information in the digital age. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's especially relevant in our digital world. Riding the data wave. This phrase might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're here to break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how it applies to various aspects of our lives. So, let's get started and ride this wave together. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, riding the data wave. At its core, this metaphorical expression is all about navigating and leveraging the vast amounts of information that our digital world generates every second. Imagine surfing on a giant wave in the ocean. Similarly, riding here implies skillfully maneuvering through the overwhelming flow of data we encounter daily, from social media feeds to news articles and beyond. In today's era, data is everywhere, influencing decisions in business, science, education, and even our personal lives. Understanding how to effectively collect, analyze, and use this data can lead to better decision-making, innovative solutions, and staying ahead in a competitive environment. It's not just about having access to information, it's about knowing what to do with it. So, how can you become a proficient data surfer? Here are a few tips. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies in data management and analysis. Develop critical thinking. Not all information is created equal. Learn to distinguish between high-quality and low-quality data. Embrace technology. Utilize tools and platforms designed for data analysis to gain insights and make informed decisions. Continuous learning. The world of data is always evolving. Engage in lifelong learning to adapt to new tools and methodologies. Riding the data wave is not without its challenges. Issues like data privacy, information overload, and ensuring data accuracy can make the journey difficult. To navigate these challenges, prioritize data security. Be mindful of data privacy laws and ethical considerations. Learn to filter information. Develop strategies to manage information overload effectively. Verify sources. Always cross-check information to ensure its reliability and accuracy. And there you have it. Riding the data wave is about mastering the skill of navigating through the digital information flood in our everyday lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, understanding how to manage and utilize data effectively is key to success in the 21st century. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and inspired you to start riding the data wave confidently. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning and stay curious.